Hi guys, Gary here from Leicestertmd. Just a quick update. I've been working on layout, been working on T.M.D area, doing an concrete art standing kit which I purchased from Justin at Scale Model Scenery, and also I bought the extension kit for the size of my shed out. Going in this position, good bit of kit to work with, nice and easy to set up. Can't fault it, 10 out of 10 really, and a few other little bits and bobs that I bought from him from the past couple of weeks. Here's a video just showing you guys how I went on with doing it, pictures and that lot to follow later on this week when everything's all dried and all sorted, and maybe do a video at some point in the week. Hope you enjoy guys, speak to you all soon, bye.